We have a situation here. I've been telling you guys about the very young man, a very man who said that he's from Umudim, Usu Umudim, in Mangele, local government of Imo State. We are reporting live from Kebu TV. This is Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road, specifically by Urata Junction. He has been complaining bitterly that he lost one of his truck around 1976, and he also lost a huge amount of money amounting to 500,000, which some guys snatched from him in 1976 as well. So because he have lost so much money, he now bought this place. He said that he built 3-bedroom flats and a kitchen residing here. All efforts, he has so many things inside the room, inside the parlor, the room, and also a satellite and even a security light. You can see auto. Let me show you auto for in his boundary. But something interesting happened. Since Saturday, these men of Abia State ASEPA have been trying all efforts they could to clean up this area, but they noticed that whenever they came to this spot, both their vehicles, the caterpillar, the payloader, all broke down. Look at this one here. This one door already broke down. You can see while trying to evacuate most of this refuse along this all important express road, it broke down. They also go ahead to hire another payloader, which we are seeing down there. As that one came today too, the vehicle or the payloader also broke down again, and the man is insisting that he is not going anywhere, that he is not moving an inch unless government will compensate him, pay him, refund him the 500,000 that he lost in 1976, and also his trailer that armed robbers snatched from him in the same 1976. This is Kebu TV reporting live along Port Harcourt Express, Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road, specifically by Urata Junction. These are a situation we are having here. The young man is insisting that they must refund him, or that he won't leave his premises. He won't leave this place. That this is his house, and he bought the land. To that extent, the people that own the land, I deny. I said no. They did not sell any land to him. He insisted that they bought the land from government. That government should refund him. Stay tuned for more. My people, good afternoon. Something is happening here. I know now along Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road by Urata Junction. You can see men of the AXEPA and all their vehicles. They are doing evacuation, all the debris along the road. But something just really tripped the whole thing. Something just happened. Okay, you know this thing here, auto. Yeah, okay, you can see this auto, all these tricks. So a man be able to get a rocha here, to mentally stable. So he was laying clear in the middle of the express road. He said that he bought this land, and our government as airport, our government is going to settle him that he spent over 1,500,000 in buying this land. So this is really causing a kind of it look like a comedy, but since for a very long time people have been trying to convince him, because the payloader is already on ground to start work. The old man is insisting that I get settled here before. That he bought the land. So that is why I needed to caption this, and also see to it, because the government at the center need to settle him as he claimed. He said that he bought this property, and all the things you are seeing here is his properties, what he digs on, and you can see some of our equipment and some of our payloaders that have been doing this work before now. Till we get to this spot, the gentleman has said that the government will pay him 5 million before he can be able to. So I will try if I can be able to speak with him. they have started working, but the young man is still insisting that this place is his kitchen. That he bought this land, and this land is very expensive. That nobody should near his kitchen. This is what is happening today, Monday, the 1st day of December 2023, along Express Road, exactly by Urata Junction. So we are here, we got this information. So I am trying to see if I can be able to talk to the young man so that you can get from him directly. You can see the young man say that he bought this land. My property, measure, I am. Government want to pay you so that you can be able to leave this place. They want to control the road. I've never seen this type before. The man is still he's very angry that they want to destroy his house. He spent so much money. Even if government want to compensate him that he won't collect, but he prefers to be here. Look at him. He's sending back all those they see at the river. You can see him sending them back to his house. And all the also all around, which means he actually with a peg. He actually bought it. According to him, he say he bought the land. We are reporting live from Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road by Urata Junction right now today, being 4th, Monday the 4th of December 2023. We met this young man. He claimed that he bought this place in the middle of the highway, and it's very expensive. I will still go around and show you how the front of his house. He said he had three rooms and parlor. He also showed me his kitchen. Let me go in front so that you can be able to see clearly. This is Cable TV, reporting from the city of Aba, Enugu Port Harcourt Express Road, to be precise. Stay tuned. But the very man who insisted that this house belongs to him, and he bought this house. Not only that he bought the land, he spent so much money to be able to construct 3 rooms and a parlor in this very place. But the 3 rooms and parlor are intact now. The 3 rooms and parlor are intact now. Maybe only here. I mean, your 3 rooms and parlor. Yeah. Okay, back kitchen here. But then I didn't go boom, 3 rooms and parlor get in touch. Only home labor. I wouldn't take a game we keep up with something. Is a rule. Okay, tamboline. But I go against Israel. Where is the gala? On them, what is the gala? Okay, go make the gala. How is it 1 million something? Hey, what do I achieve? I won't let us go to the city, not the person. I'll take up the city. But what if they want to pay you back? You go in there. You got apple. Eh? See, if they want to pay you back the money. I'm going to take the 1 million. How 2 million give you? I take 2 million. 65 years. I'll come back to the motor. Okay, don't hear the motor. I want no problem for the government now. I'm a go for the government to be a motor. So, but don't do here like the motor. But when was up to the gala, what government is up to the gala? Every day through Dala. Ego legacy through Dala. 1,000 something. 130 something million. They don't want to do it. They don't want to do it. They want to do it. They want to do it.
Almost 1,500. 1,000. Motor red. Mbawu kaya kana.
Oh, you want to bring yourself?
Kaka mukawa.
I go to Patolula. Also 3 rooms and parlor. What is Chineke me you na resi ya no corner. La village na. Then the one that I say well how is it?
Bala go dey here for shagi show. Bala go dey here
Chidiki. Oh, he has from Mukodisu. In Imo State. That's the go push any. That's the go push any. Oh, on a go change that. Okay. Also 3 rooms and parlor. You can give you another motor. You can give you another motor. He's a passionate leader. Oh, make a motor. Everything motor. You do Lego. I'm not getting motor. Which year? Which year?
1972.
1972. Oh, yeah.
500,000.
Ọrụ ibi. Chukwu agwụla nụ. Ole nekọ ya ma ndị ọ?
Ama m dọ, aga m ọgasị m ga-azụtara ya. M ga-aga zụtara ya, ha sị m my friend talk. This is when you mean, yeah, so now when you have them. Man, I can't afford to wash it. They're going to
Ibu ihe ga 500,000. Ana jụ ọsọ egbe ole n'ime ụlọ ka. Amịrị bọmbụ wa. Amịrị bọmbụ wa. Ele your kitchen, ele your 3 rooms ọwụ. Ele your 3 rooms. 3 rooms ọwụ eru ele bụ ọnụ. Let's take a little look inside the duplex. He say he built 3 rooms and parlor. Who will ask you? Yeah, he may. You're AC. Who will AC? I saw AC. Magwanya ga akpọ mbiko. That is how long get up the agita. Yeah, make when you aba o. That woman the 4th year of Umudimu. Abiko obugo nwunye gị wan ụmụ gị. Ị ka tell you alo. At your age, you be why? Fima, wala nu.
Ni so bona.
Ị ga na ọnụ mụdi. Nwanne ya bụ.
Na brother no ji tanya ka ta ko.
Wanda siga la dela. Ala fondo ke de mama. Kaya si jege ga la ke lo ba. Kaya si jege. Government want to settle you. Eleha ga-enye gị na akwa obi dị gị mma.
Ma onye onye isi ebe m ga-anọ na paakị ebe ọ dị m
mana ụlọ moto ka sị gị bubu ebe ụlọ ka sị gị bubu ọ sị ka enye gị ego ụlọ ka ị nwee ike gaa rụọ ya another place. Isi irutiri moto.
Awon nwere ọkpọkọrọ moto onye ga-ebi m ụlọ bi ma na enyi m ụlọ lewe bi n'ụlọ.
Ị ga-abịa ha kpọjọs ka ọjọs inye fulfillment. But this one 1976. Okay, Subaru. Obviously, what you mudim.
Maka na ekwere m ala ya maka ịrụ ụlọ.
A ga-enye gị ala.
Ezra ebe oge ije. Okay, CPS resịrị gị.
Ndị CPS. Ndị CPS resịrị gị ala. Ha ga-eme aka.
Gị na-aba n'ụlọ ya.
Ndị niile resịrị m ala, ọ bụ ndị m na-ete ego m ji arụ ụlọ, ha agaghị abịa m ya. Ndị onye gara m na-akụ m ihe. Ndị onye ya. Ma na-agwa onye m na-adị ya sị a ga-ama isi.
Maka ụlọ achị ịkụ mere katapila ji mebisia. Kedu katapila ji arụ ọrụ mebichara emebi? Ị chọrọ ka ya kwụọ ụgwọ bifo katapila arụ ọrụ?
Ga-ege ma ị ga-ebute moto. Ofu moto bi bọs. Eburu bọs buru obere moto abụọ. Ọnya mere. Na-akwa m ego m ugboro atọ. Na ngala kwa. Na ngala.
Gala ebe a.
Ebe 30,000 naira ebe a.